Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming to our recording session. This new product overseas releasing recording event phase 2 is jointly innovated by Powerbank One and Civic Electronics Center Industry Cluster. In this conference scene set up aiming to promote overseas product releasing, brand introduction, so that we can open up communication channels and promotion channels for our Chinese e-cigarette industry and supply chain. We aim to broadcast more new information and product dynamics of the Chinese e-cigarette in timely and effective manner. Throughout third-party media, we can continuously pay attention to the activities of the Chinese e-cigarette industry information. This live recording is press conferenced and released continuously promoting through Civic overseas social media platform and overseas e-cigarette websites. Melody?
Hello everyone, welcome to join us. I come from Wotofo for the labs. First of all, allow me to introduce our company, Wotofo, founded in 2012, and we are dedicated to the revolutionize the smoking experience. Well, we organize the human health and environmental sustainability and adding technology. So our mission to offer the smokers with more and healthier alternatives to the traditional cigarettes. Also, what we are doing to make their life and future more better and better. Next, let me introduce what's our Wotofo's value. Point 1. Innovative products with development focus on simplicity and functionality. So we are grabbed in the advanced knowledge and promotion, the high performance and huge battery and more stable quantity to make our customers the satisfaction. So we welcome to the world customers to test and try our new products in their global market. Point 2. The necessity and investment in global brands to drive consumer confidence and product demand. So we will make the products and all customers demand. The customer can offer them the more details, and we will from start to finish to the most satisfying the products to meet their needs. Point 3, the transparency and the transparency and the safe products in all process of the production. So we are continuing to control every process of the source materials and to make sure all products to meet the rigorous standards that due to the customers demanding. So maybe you want to know what Wotofo does. This is our product. Disposable, refillable, static, rebuildable, measures, and something like that. So let's review the Wotofo story. The brand was born in 2012 as an informal gathering of that industry expert from automotive field, including design, manufacturing, and marketing abroad, graduate born. And a few years later, the 2014, the RDA team designed the first product prototype and complete testing of the future RDA ready for production. In the 2015, the customers in the US and France vape short RDA. And the 2016, Indonesia and Malaysia began selling RTA separate meaning RTA. And 2 years later, the wonderful brochure got paid for lives. And the next years, the 2021 wonderful rapid in disposable. And soon the next bar become popular in the global markets. And 1 year later, 2022, we launched the disposable for the quickly become very popular, the name Expert Series. Okay, thank you. Let's welcome our another colleague to introduce the rest of the talk.
Hello everyone, I'm Melody from Wotofo. After listening my colleague's introduction, you have been know what the Wotofo does, right? Now I will introduce our some new products for you. And the first one is nice powder refill. Like this one, the gift box in my hand. This one is high performance refillable powder system. There have 3 milliliters refillable that filling cartridge. It can refill many times for convenience. And this one has 4 nice mesh coils. For example, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8, 1.2. It almost meet the needs of our reading. And this one is 1,000 mAh massive power. You can enjoy all the use without any compromising. And this one also have 2 and faster charging ports. 2 and faster charging. Full charging only need 30 minutes to 40 minutes. It's very fast because many companies they don't take care about the customers' demand of faster charge, but Wotofo it. And this one also has the airflow adjustment and leak-proof system will provide you an excellent experience vaping. And the next one is NiceBar 18K. It's a disposable vape. NiceBar 18K with 22 milliliters and up to 18,000 pounds, and featuring dual mesh coil and smart screen. The dual mesh coils provide enhanced flavor and explosive power to ensure every puff is satisfying. And the smart screen displays the battery and the liquid levels and the vaping modes. This one have 2 vaping modes. One is normal and one is turbo. The normal is provide a balanced output, and the turbo is provide enhanced flavor and stronger through heat and stronger flavor. And also this one has child lock private setting. This setting ensures safety, so it's the best choice for both new and experienced vapor. And the next one is Ultra 20K. Ultra 20K is direct long disposable vape. It provides richer flavor experience and more cold production. So we can have a look at the appearance first. It's very simple design, right? But the highlight is at here. The button and the smart screen are surrounded by a ring of lights. It will illuminate it. When the device in use, you can have a look. So, this design provides a luxury and pleasing experience with it. And also, this one has 3 models, Turbo, Normal, and Echo. Whatever you like, instant flavor burst, or long-lasting use, or the best battery management, they all have you covered. And this one has 22 milliliters liquid to ensure you have enough juice to extended use. And also this one is 1000 battery. You can use it all day. All these are the products and the next. So Wotofo not only just the products, also have the marketing. So the part 3 is product strategy. At Wotofo, we focus on developing high quality products and actively promoting brands to extend our product life on your retail membership. So we invest a lot in marketing. We driving continuous online marketing to boost the new user awareness of our products and brand. And working together with local partners, we ensure authentic market traction and real sales growth. And our online marketing, we high up our channels associated with our partners, include total review sites and the forum blog and SNS, SEO and EDM and so on. And also, we located our partners on our authorized website. We also participate in many online activities, for example, Black Friday and Wotofo Moments and other festival activities. So, offline marketing, we also do many things. For example, this one, Wotofo provides a lot bunch of sale materials. For example, lanyard, poster, and gift box, mouthpiece, and the sheet, and clothes. So many things. And also, Wotofo has many local marketing teams in many countries, for example, South Korea, and Russia, Central Asia, USA. Wotofo also sponsors many local activities, for example, marathon, music festival, and retail channels, racing and fun club. Become a partner of Wotofo. We not only just provide high-quality products, but also we provide international brands and professional service, various marketing and business training. So, if you are interested in, please contact us. We'll always be here. Thank you.
Thank you very much.